Hi, my name is Jesseline, and this is about factoring with the quadratic formula. So this is the quadratic formula. It's another way to factor. And so let's see if you can memorize this. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And you're probably thinking, well, what is a? What is b? What is c? That comes from the standard form of writing a polynomial, ax squared plus bx plus c. So if I have a polynomial, let's just take this one, y is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. The a is the coefficient in front of the x squared. The b is the coefficient in front of the x. And the c is always your constant. And remember, a constant is a number that doesn't have the variable. So in this case, a, the coefficient in front of the x squared, is just 1. It's understood. B, the coefficient in front of the x, is 5. And c, the constant, is 6. So you take all these values and plug it in to the quadratic formula. And that's how you find it. So the opposite of b, so that'd be negative 5, plus or minus b squared, so that's 5 squared minus 4 times a times c, and then all over 2 times a, which is 1. And then you just slowly solve this. Okay, so let's slowly solve it. So negative 5 plus or minus the square root, 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 is 4, times 6 is 24, so that'd be minus 24. And then all over 2. Continue to solve it. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 1 all over 2. Well, the square root of 1 is just 1, so I'm going to erase that square root. So we have that, and then 2. So now we can find the values. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And then our other value is negative 5 minus 1, because you have to do plus or minus. Negative 5 minus 1, which is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So those are my two values, negative 2 and negative 3. And that is how you do the quadratic formula. It's really that simple. See if you can remember this. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Thank you for watching.